Tarbela Dam is constructed on the river Indus in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, situated at 50 kilometers away from the city Attock and at a distance of about 70 kilometers from the country's capital city Islamabad in the northwest. The total length of Tarbela Dam is measured as 2,743 meters and it is 143 meters high above the river's bed. It has two spillways at left bank of the river Indus. There are 4 tunnels of about 900 meters length constructed at the right bank for irrigation as well as power generation purposes. Tarbela Dam is considered as one of the major earth-filled dams in the world, completed in the year 1976. The main dam remains the largest embankment ever constructed yet. Tarbela 4th extension hydropower project is to add 1410 megawatt of electric power to the existing power generation of 3478 megawatts, with 3 power units having a generation capacity of 470 megawatt each. Tarbela 4th extension project will increase the total generation of Tarbela Dam up to 4888 megawatts. While talking about the 4th extension, we look at the construction, technology and welfare aspects and the details of all 3. The main construction works of Tarbela 4th extension hydropower project included modification of intake structures, installation of penstock, erection of switchgear and construction of a new powerhouse. The modified intake structures are hydraulically designed to divert the flow of water into the new shafts, which are connected down to the existing tunnels. The overall length of Tarbela 4th powerhouse is 136 meters. Width of the superstructure as well as inlet world block is 28 and 13 meters respectively. The depth from ground level to foundation is 44 meters, whereas its height above ground level is 29 meters. The penstock as a part of powerhouse structures includes manufacturing, installation and welding works, concreting of thrust block in chambers and backfilling, etc. It is the largest bifurcation of penstock ever performed worldwide, with total length of 793.2 meters and measured at the weight of 8,000 tons. The steel penstock comprises 4 branches C, D, F and G. The diameter of main penstock pipe is 13 meters, whereas steel plate thickness is 60 meters. In May 2015, the first segment of penstock was installed. In May 2017, the water pressure test was conducted successfully. In January 2018, water was filled in the penstock. After great efforts of all stakeholders, the first unit of Tarbela 4th extension hydropower project was commissioned in February 2018. Being an extension project, the first scope of work at Tarbela 4th project was to remove existing irrigation structures connected to the Tunnel 4, which mainly included removal of hydraulic gates and demolition of reinforced concrete structures. The total quantity of demolished concrete is 380,000 cubic meters, including the compact concrete, plain concrete, reinforcement concrete, pre-stressed concrete, etc. These concrete structures were constructed near the existing powerhouse at the closest distance of 34 meters. Therefore, demolishing of these concrete structures was carried out in a much more controlled manner by using sophisticated techniques and professionalism. 460,000 cubic meters of concrete was then poured at powerhouse. Construction activities at intake remained badly impeded for a period of more than half a year due to abnormal reservoir level. This unusual reservoir level influenced and inundated the ongoing critical task for the other half of the year as well. In order to ensure consistency of construction works and to guarantee the safety of the site at the bottom of the pit, a concrete cofferdam was designed and built at intake. In addition, temporary steel cover was designed and built to ensure the commercial operation as per schedule. A series of optimizing measures such as cancellation of foam concrete, utilization of raise boring mechanism, etc. were proposed and adopted to accelerate the construction works. The new powerhouse is constructed at backwater area of DS Right Bank Colony. Temporary cofferdom was considered necessary in order to ensure dry area for construction. Due to limited working area and deep water situation, the technical team, comprising of Tarbela T4 CJV and Power China, encountered the toughest and most difficult situations faced ever. The trend of sheet pile cellular cofferdom is spread east to west with a total length of 206.87 meters, having 5 main cells of 4 numbers of connecting cells. The diameter of one main cell is 23.7 meters and the radius of connecting cells is 4.99 meters. Each main cell consists of 148 numbers of straight steel sheet piles and 4 numbers of connecting piles. The longest of steel sheet piles is about 36 meters of length. During the construction period of the project, Power China made vital achievements. For instance, installation of trash racks and stop logs under 120 meters deep water. Power China is awarded with certain excellence certificates in China. So far, Power China has published more than 10 academic theses in this regards. Power China created nearly 3,000 new job opportunities for local Pakistani nationals since October 2013. Taking due note of environmental requirements, Power China planted 3,000 trees at Tarbela site. On yearly basis, Power China awarded certificates, gifts and cash prizes to employees who stood outstanding and vigilant while performing their duties at site projects and offices. Power China refurbished English medium primary school at Right Bank Colony to effectuate the educational requirements of Tarbela T4 CJV consultants and Power China staff's children. Clothes, stationery, school bags and study kits were distributed among poor pupils of the school. Many recreational facilities including sports competitions were organized by Power China and its site office under the courtship of both Tarbela and T4 CJV consultants. Power China is putting its utmost dedications and sincerities to enhance the power solutions in Pakistan and contribute in economy through its services. We see an enriched future of this country.